Hi guys, medyo matagal tayo naka-review ng naka-upload ng video. May tumatawa. Okay, I bought a new airsoft gun. Mag-AEG tayo ngayon. So here is the Delta Armory. Yan. It's a cheap airsoft. Kung gusto niyo ng mga budget airsoft from ranges 10,000 to 13,000, you go for the Delta Armory. So Delta Armory guys, nabili ko to sa halagang 13,000. So eto siya with box, no, with rifle case. Yan. So and simula pa lang to sa video natin to, mag-upload ako ng yung mga cheap upgrades for airsoft. I-upload ko rin. So at saka magta-try din tayo sa next video natin is magta-try tayo kung meron bang difference sa FPS from stock inner barrel to upgrading to a longer barrel with 6.01 tight barrel. Yan. So eto na siya. Yan. This is the, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo ba. This is the Delta Armory AR-15. Metal alloy yung rail niya. Metal upper and lower receiver. Polymer plastic grip handle. And then polymer plastic buttstock. And then meron siyang free one magazine na 300 rounds. May kamot. Metal. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung anong laman nito. Si Delta Armory from stock. And then, we will go from there. And then after that, pag-uusapan natin yung mga upgrades na magiging future videos natin. Okay? Yung laman or ng mga stock ng Delta Armory. So, ang stock ng Delta Armory guys is meron siyang quick change KRS motors, which is normal for AAGs na mabibili natin. SHS piston with full metal gears, di ba? SHS guys is a brand which is mura, the cheapest that you can buy sa upgrades para sa mga airsoft nyo. If you want to medyo upgrade your airsoft and then para lumakas yung FPS niya, so you can go to a SHS. Napubulol pa. Tapos meron din siyang inner barrel na 6.03 na barrel. And usually for stocks is just 407 length. Yan siya. And then also includes SHS piston wheel handle. And also includes the Gen 2 gearbox, which is a quick spring change gearbox. That's actually a normal gearbox for AEGs ngayon, which is the version 2 for M4s and AR-15s. And then also ang spring niya is nasa, usually for stock springs for AEGs is nasa 120 yung spring niya. And then yung laman ng box niya guys, ang nakakatuwa kasi meron din siyang foam. At least di na kayo bibili ng box. Kasi etong box pa lang guys, kung bibili nyo to, excluded sa airsoft nyo, kung bibili nyo, is nasa, etong ganitong box, nasa 2,000 or 3,000 ata to I think. Tapos meron ako ding nabili noon na box na rifle gun case. Ipapakita ko siguro sa video or isisingit ko yung sa HPA ko. Medyo may kamahalan, which is 6,000. It's airtight. It's a water sealed na gun case. Meron siyang trolley pero medyo malaki talaga siya at saka mabigat. So sa next video natin, kasi bumili na ako ng mga upgraded parts for upgrade sa AEG ko, bumili na ako. So sa next video natin, abang-abang na lang. So para sa mga gustong makamura, tuturo natin yung mga medyong murang upgrades na mga airsoft natin. Okay? From inner barrel to hop up chambers, hop up assembly or springs, and also motors. Kasi may mga motors din na mura, nasa budget-friendly motors na maganda. So, which is the Element brand, kung alam niyo yung Element brand. Red na motor yan siya. Nasa 2,000 or 1,000 plus to 2,000 pesos na range. Which is 40k or 35k na motor. 35k to 40k. So, tapos ngayon, i-chrono natin si Delta Armory. I-chrono natin kung ano yung stock FPS niya. Okay? Guys, here we go. Testing stock parts of Delta Armory. Fire 1, 61, fire 2, 56, 60. I hope that you like the video, guys. Till next time. And sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And tune in for more uploads for topics sa airsoft. Gagawa tayo ng mga how to start an airsoft collection or an airsoft hobby. And then mag-upload din tayo ng, kasi matatapos na yung gun ban, 'di ba? So I hope that we can upload sa videos sa ating airsoft games. And yeah, yun. Salamat sa panonood and till next time.